What's going on, gang? This is Mike with MrNoFluff.com, and I have amazing, exciting news for you, gang. Um, the real estate market nationwide is down 12%, guys. Nationwide is down 12%. Unbelievable, guys. Now, the recession, the Great Depression is already here. They're just not televising it. They're not telling you about it. But if you look around in your local market, you'll see that home sales are down. Now, some areas are having way more harder hit depression coming. For example, I moved to Vegas. I'm actually about to get there. And the reason is because there's so many houses there that are going to be crashing. Vegas is one of the hottest markets in the sense of motivated sellers. It has two problems. One is, which is the recession depression that we're in. The other problem that it has is that in this economic collapse, people that bought larger homes, which is a lot of people because interest rates were so low. Well, guess what? These upper end homes are the very first things that slow down in the market. So, people that have $1 million homes, people that have $500,000 homes and above are the very first people that feel the side effect of the market slowing down. So guess what? Vegas. There's actually multiple states that I've been tracking. If you're interested to know what are the hottest areas that are going to crash the biggest, then join me in my profit sharing. But I'll share one of them with you right now. Is Las Vegas. I'm actually moving there and to live there because the market is so hot that I'm gotta be there so I can be hands on and doing deals. So this is what I was talking about, guys. The market is crashing. I'm a fire investor. I'm all in to win, and I'll do whatever is required. If that means, packing my stuff up and taking my family to a state like Las Vegas, Nevada, that's going to have one of the biggest crashes in the country, then that's what I'm going to do. Because in a matter of just 2 or 3 years of hard work, it's going to make as much money as 10, 20 years of working in the regular economy. Now, a lot of people made money when the market was going up. Much power to them, right? Um, there's people like myself that can make money when the market is up, when the market is sideways, and then when the market is down. But I love to only work. I like to only get my hands dirty when the market is crashing, like what it is today. In 2019, not financial advice, in my opinion, for myself, this is the best time to be in real estate. In 2006, fourth quarter was the best time to get in real estate because things were already starting to crash. The public didn't know about it, but I had my ear on the heartbeat of the street. And what that means is by me having my students talk to all these motivated sellers, by me being on the streets talking to motivated sellers myself, I am seeing, for example, more and more inventory is being built up, which is now causing new home prices to crash, which is causing expired MLSs to arise, which is causing people taking the properties off the market. And here's the catch. Guess what? We're going into a non-buying season because school is over, summer's over, we're in September, and guess what? This is the worst time to sell a house. And guess what? There are people out there that want to sell, that must sell today. They have vacant homes, they're making double payments. Okay. Why do you think I'm moving my whole family to Vegas? Because there's going to be so many motivated sellers there. That's unbelievable. Now, there's about 4 other states and cities that are highly motivated where it's already starting to crash and it's going to be really hot. If you want to know what those other cities and states are, then join me in my profit sharing. I'm going to be sharing it with my students this coming up meeting, guys, because by doing my research, I targeted the hottest areas. What do I mean by the hottest areas? These are the areas where we're going to see massive losses in real estate, massive losses. For example, Las Vegas, there's a lot of people that own $500,000 homes and above. Guess what? Most of these people cannot sell their home. How do I know? Because I was in Vegas about 2 years ago and I lived out there and I tracked it. And the same sellers that I was talking to then are now coming around because they couldn't sell then. I mean, they thought they could sell and they tried it. It's only been 2 years and they haven't been able to sell. And guess what? They all have $500,000 and above homes. Guess what? These people are highly motivated. Guess what? The houses are vacant. Guess what? Guess what? They have their houses paid off, but they understand that the market's crashing and they want to exit, and they're willing to do things like seller financing, where that seller will become my bank. Why do you think I'm leaving Texas, going to Vegas, guys? Best time ever. I'm super, super excited. And I know there's going to be a handful of other areas in America. And I have it targeted down exactly. If you're interested, to join me in my profit sharing this Saturday at MrNoFluff.com. But I'm super hyped, dude. I'm super hyped because since 2016, I've been telling you guys, guess what? It's just about the bust. People that call me crazy. In 2016, I told you guys gold was the play. Everyone and their mother laughed at me. I blocked so many people from Facebook and YouTube because they were all talking shit, right? Where are the fuck are these people now? Where are the fuck are these people now? Are you the person watching me that was laughing at me 2016? Hopefully you're not. But if you were, fuck you, dude. I was right, motherfucker. I was right. And now here comes the cream. Here comes the pain, which means here comes the gain. And I was right on gold. I was right on real estate. And as you want to go to any newspaper right now and you just type it in, real estate sales are down nationwide. And this is just the beginning of it, just the tip of the iceberg. In the areas that I've mapped out, there's going to be 40 to 60% off. 40 to 60% off. I mean, this is why Warren Buffett is liquidating and cashing out so he has cash ready. This is why I've been telling you guys since 2016 that 2016, 2015, 2014 was the best time to start a business because everyone had funny money. Everyone had free dead money and they were just spending like crazy. Now the banks are going to contract. Now no one's going to be lending out. And if you have cash or if you know how to use some of the strategies that I teach, which is having the seller finance it to you, then I think that you're going to be pretty happy. Not any financial advice. I'm not trying to tell you what to do, but I know I'm going to be happy. And that's why I'm moving to Vegas, guys. As I'm speaking, I'm in route over there because there's so many deals that I track these sellers. And now we're going to go and hash these deals, guys. So it's an amazing day to be alive. I'm glad to live in America. And guess what? These central bankers, the Federal Reserve, don't give a fuck about you. They don't give a fuck about her. They don't give a fuck about anyone. What they're here to do is print money, cause inflation, and rob the people's money. Now, I just did a video about you for you guys just today about if you had $5,500 in gold versus $5,500 in your Bank of America or your average bank, that in 3 years, your $5,500 will be a lot less. And in gold, you actually made over $2,000 in profit. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely go check it out. It's a mind-blogging thing, guys. They're not going to tell you on CNN. They're not going to tell you on NBC, but that's fine. I'm happy they're not telling people because that we don't want everyone to be doing it, right? I mean, we want everyone to have the fear. I mean, everyone has fear right now. They're all scared and scared. Not me. I'm running into the fire, and I'm super excited. And I'm bringing it to you guys. So click the like button. Let me know what state you're in, guys. Let me know what state you're in. Let me know what's going on in your hood. Are you seeing houses for sell signs staying on the block longer and longer? I'd love to hear what your opinion is because I don't live in all 50 states. I know the areas that I'm going to buy in, the areas that I've mapped out, what I call the hot zones. They're going to be 40 to 60% off. And guess what? Great times are coming, guys. Great times are coming. I'm super pumped up. If you're interested in finding these deals just like I'm doing right now, working with motivated sellers, then you have two options. If you want to get my best courses, I have what's called the Unlimited Academy Access. $67 a month, you get access to all my best-selling courses. Pretty simple. If you want more help, you want hands-on coaching, then I do hold your hand in my profit-sharing coaching, and it's just $119 a month, guys. $119 a month, $30 per meeting, and we meet every Saturday. Thanks for watching, guys. Click the like button. Let me know what state you're in, and let me know what's going on in your state. But I'm heading to Las Vegas, and I'm moving there permanently because I'm going to be buying a shitload of properties in Vegas and 4 or 5 other states as well. If you're interested to know what those hot pockets are, join me in my profit sharing, guys. Much love to you. Click the like button. Leave a comment. See you in Vegas.